uphothulwe umsebenzi wokulungiswa kwesiphehli sase-Eikenhof kepha kusanezakhamuzi ezingenawo amanzi.
All what we are beginning to wait for is the reservoirs to start filling up so that we are able to provide residents with water. Of course, there are areas in which they still don't have water, especially this area because it's supplied from this reservoir, which will be the last to be filled from Rand Water itself.
iJoburg Water ithembise izakhamuzi ukuthi zizothola amanzi ngempelasonto.
We are really progressing very well in terms of recovery. In the main, most of the area are receiving water from that particular system. The inner city itself, at our pump station, we are pumping at full capacity.
Kusenjalo izakhamuzi endaweni yaseMakhanda e-Eastern Cape ziyaqhubeka nokubhekana nenselele yamanzi esidonse iminyaka. Kulesi simo kusolwe ingqalasizinda esigugile nokungaphathwa kahle kwezimali zohlelo lokuthuthukiswa kwengqalasizinda yamanzi nosekuholele ekutheni izakhamuzi zithembele emanzini eziwathola kumapitsi nakumathangi.
Ayakwazi nohlala iveki ezimbini engaphumi sancedwa kuba kuvule la pitsi asiwatshike lamanzi sivasa ngayo washing kwenzela kube into okanye aze kube kanye inobe kungomvulo kokwabe lapha lansika
lamanzi elipitsi amdaka. Abakhwetha bayangena apha kwelipitsi bavase nathi sikhange chamber but siphinde siwatye kwalamanzi.
Iziphathimandla zikamasipala bezingakaphenduli kulolu daba.